Do you think that if you would have more flavors to add to your raw vegetables, you would be eating them more? Well, I know that this is definitely my case. Hi, for those who doesn't know me, my name is Pia and I'm a nutritionist, and welcome to my channel Rameliving. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 6 different ways to add more flavor to your salads. I'm going to make for you 6 dressings, which are 3 savory and 3 sweets. And the most important thing, that they are super tasty, easy to make, and super healthy. All of them are gluten-free and oil-free. One important thing, guys, is that all of the recipes, you can see them on my blog, rameliving.com. All of the recipes come with a PDF file that you can download in your computer or phone, and all of them come in English and Spanish language. For these dressings, there are different ways to use them, not only in salads, but you can use it in poke bowls, with rice, with a cold salad made of pasta or quinoa, or you can use it as a spread in sandwich, in pita pockets, or even in your tacos. So let's dive in, because I'm eager to start. for the dressings. I hope that you like them just like I do. And please, if you dare to make one of them, please tag me as Rameliving on Instagram and on Facebook so I can share your creations with my awesome community. And together we can inspire even more people to eat healthy. And just to remind you that if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I upload every week one new video, and I'm always talking about wellness and meditation and different recipes and workout videos. So I hope that we build a community of strong people and happy people together. Okay, so I hope to see you next week, and thank you so much again for stepping by. Okay, see you later.